with another apps review video. Today's video will be about Infinix ported applications, which is ported for all USB based custom ROMs. So let's get it started. And I'm using here the Nusantara project 5.7, which is based on Android 13 and very latest one. I already uploaded the video. If you guys already missed, then I will provide the link in description. Just check that out. And before we start, first of all, I will show you that AI gallery, which is from Infinix devices, and this one file manager from Infinix, and Dex clock, which is also from Infinix. And another important thing will be the dialer, Infinix dialer with auto call recording option. So I will drop both links of zip file, which is Magix module, and another will be APK file. So I already installed the three application, which is AI gallery, file manager, and clock, and these are APK files I installed. But APK one for called the dialer, it doesn't work for me, and Android in Android 13. I don't know, maybe it will work on your device, so you guys can try. If you don't want to root your device, then you guys can use this applications, actually APK files. And if you have already rooted your device, then follow my process. I am going to install the zip file, which is through Magix. So let's get it started with the flashing process. If you already know how to flash a Magix module, then you can leave that process or skip the video. Here is the Infinix dialer, which is JAWS, the user interface called JAWS. Okay, let me flash it. Then I will check. This is the live checking. Actually, I didn't flash it earlier. I am flashing this for the first time, which is Infinix dialer. Okay, let's see, does it work or not. So I'm skipping that part. Just click on reboot after flashing any Magix module. Okay, device already booted. Now let me show you. Here is the application, which is called phone application, and now this one is working, I guess. Okay, let's go to settings and make it default. Okay, done. Then this is the user interface of JAWS dialer, that means which is ported from Infinix device. Okay, let me show you how does it work. Okay, that's fine, and it's working. And you guys can see here the start recording. You guys can do that as well, and it's recording fine. It's really fine. Okay, let me cut it. That's cool. And here is the contacts, and here is the recents, and we have some settings as usual. Auto call recording, you just need to enable that feature, and you guys can access sound and vibration as well from there. And caller ID display, the advanced settings is there. Also we have some extra things like a call timer reminder, speed dialer, accessibility, and the basic features are included in that one. And I'm just loving this one, and believe me, I'm using the that dialer for the first time. I didn't flash it earlier. I'm just flash in front of you guys, and believe me, this is really good, and the UI is just awesome. So this is from dialer, and now let me introduce. This is the gallery application, which is from a JAWS user interface. Okay, let me open any application, any photos from JAWS AI gallery application, and we have that features like we have more option, copy, move, hide, and set wallpaper. Then we have share, favorites, and where we have the edit option, and we have really a great feature here. You guys can just rotate it. You guys can rotate the foreground or background of your image. Okay, let me show you that thing, just like this. Okay, which degree you need, you guys can do that. Now I'm using here 35 degree, positive, negative, whatever you guys can do. Okay, let me show you. Now I am on minus. You guys can do that rotation. Then you guys can select some screen to body ratio. Okay, there are some ratios, 9:16, 16:9. This is really cool, and we have a feature like rotating option. That's awesome, just awesome, I think. And here you guys can see other customizations, which is like exposure, highlights, and shadows, and brightness. Then we have contrast, all the basic features are there. And here you guys can see another icon, just click on it and you guys can change some filters, and some filters are there just like this. Okay, discarding. Okay, that was about the gallery application. Now let me show you the user interface of file manager, and this is the user interface of recent. And here you guys can see browse option, just click on it, you guys will get that. First of all, clean option, and then you have images, documents, audio, and basic folders. Actually, you guys can access easily from there. And if you want to access your memory card or your internal storage, then click on my phone, and here we have this internal storage and SD card. These are the things. I hope this is cool. And we have here the clock from JOS user interface, JOS UI, whatever you say. Here is the world clock, and which is from our country. Now the time is here, and meeting, sleep, exercise is there, and you can click on that about clock for 3 dot menus. And here we have the stopwatch, and then here we have the alarm button. These are really cool. And if you need a basic feature and basic user interface, then of course you guys can try this out, and the time can be set less than 5 seconds. Okay, you guys can easily use this application. Hope you guys like the video. If you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.